Tom's Lost Kite Adventure. Tom, a young boy with a heart full of joy, cherished nothing more than flying his vibrant kite on sunny afternoons. The colorful tails of his kite would dance in the wind, creating a mesmerizing spectacle against the blue sky. However, one fateful day, as the wind grew stronger and more playful, it snatched Tom's cherished kite away, leaving him with a heart heavy with disappointment. Feeling a sense of loss, Tom turned to his friends, a tight-knit group of neighborhood kids who were always ready for an adventure. Determined to recover the stolen kite, they gathered in Tom's backyard, forming a small, but determined search party. The group, led by Tom's best friend, Sarah, combed through the fields and parks where the mischievous wind might have carried the kite. They followed its trail through the bustling streets, their eyes scanning the skies and trees in hopeful anticipation. Time passed, and just when it seemed like the kite was lost forever, a glimmer of hope appeared. Tim, another friend of Tom's, noticed a flash of color high in the branches of a towering oak tree. The kite had become entangled in the tree's branches, held captive by its leafy embrace. Undeterred, the group huddled together, brainstorming ideas to rescue the kite. Sarah, with her nimble fingers and fearless spirit, volunteered to climb the tree. With each careful step, she ascended higher, encouraged by cheers and supportive words from her friends below. Finally reaching the tangled kite, Sarah skillfully untangled it from the branches. As she descended triumphantly, she handed the rescued kite to Tom, who couldn't contain his gratitude. The joy on Tom's face mirrored the collective triumph of friendship over adversity. In the end, Tom learned a valuable lesson about the strength of unity and the resilience found in the bonds of friendship. The misadventure became a cherished memory, and the group continued to face new challenges, knowing that together, they could overcome any obstacle, whether it be a mischievous wind or a kite stuck in a tree.